Om Swastiastu, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam, nama budaya, salam kebajikan, Rahayu. Uh, Richard here, and we want to say thank you for the committee in inviting us and having us at the 7th International Conference on Social and Political Sciences, ICOSAP 2022, Faculty of Social and Political Sciences, Universitas 11 Maret UNS Surakarta, Indonesia. Our team will present paper titled Media Influencer and Buzzer, Cyber in Indonesia Dynamic National Security. And next, we will present our paper. Wait for a second. We will explain the background. In the current 21st century, many new actors appear in the digital world, and the world that was once dominated by television media is now starting to appear on social media, which affect people's social life. And then actors such as influencer and buzzer currently have strategic roles, so they sometimes have the power to control the development of information in the digital world. With the advantage of having large followers and growth, influencer and buzzer are now an activity for providing information dissemination services on social media. However, sometimes the information that is disseminated only sees the interest of a group of people, so it can cause horizontal conflict in society and threaten the stability of national security. By using government data and existing research, further analysis will be carried out regarding the relationship between the development of media actor and the dynamic of national security. It hoped that this research will provide benefit to see the development of media, influence, and buzzer. And last, for the background, so that the state government can make balanced rules to minimize the emergence of conflict in future. We will tell you guys about the phenomenons for our paper. The first one, media has changed from time to time. Media, which at first was only through writing or newspaper, then developed with the existence of radio and television. Now appears the existence of new media. And then the emergence of social media platform whose content is felt to compete with entertain and information on television. Social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Meta become a balancing medium that give user the freedom to share information. And the last, influencer and buzzer, a new actor in today's digital world of information. An influencer is someone who has the power to influence the decision of others because of his authority, knowledge, position, or relationship with his audience. For information, we will share you about propaganda. Yeah. The first one, this has led America to think that some China's own media are propaganda media from the Communist Party. This media include Ichai Global, Xifang Daily, Xinmin Evening News, Social Sciences in China Press, Beijing Review, and Economic Daily. Apart from this case, yeah, there is also Channel One Russia, which is a national news media that is currently providing an intense view of the Russian perspective regarding the Russia-Ukraine conflict. And apart from that, there are also media blocking contests from Eastern and Western countries, such as the blocking of the TNT and Russia Today YouTube channel by the American government to the freezing of shares owned by Google. Finally, there is CNN. We know this channel, which has a skeptical view from the international community as the holder. of the role America's diplomacy and propaganda tool. We saw how the opinion war game in the international world has played at the propaganda level in the media. And we will discuss about social psychology in information. The first one, social psychology is the scientific study of how people construct their thought, feeling, beliefs, intention, and goals in social contexts through real or imaginary interaction with other people. Second one, social psychology is the target of mind-altering media. The term to emotion behavior include all human psychological variables that can be measured. Yeah, be able to imagine and reflect on other people thought means being vulnerable to society even when no one is around, such as watching TV or following internal cultural norms. And the last, duplicate content is still relevant, which is wrong. This method is also known as post-truth. Virus and media are considered genuine by the general public. This is the social psychology of information, whose voices go viral or are always assumed to be genuine. And we will take a topic about conflict media and national security. How come? Yeah, the media's correlation with national security and conflict can also be seen in Balkan conflict. Uh, we know the issues are already. The region saw increasing recognition of the importance of local media coverage in shaping and developing conflict in the ground. This is the best documented in Mark Thompson groundbreaking account of the role of local media in the former Yugoslavia Forging War, which document how the media helped and support the destruction of Yugoslavia, the rise of extreme national forces, and the formation of conflict between group of people who have lived together peaceful throughout their lives. It is a frightening example of how a society can be broken, how fear can be exploited by the power of the media in the hand of unscrupulous people to use it as a weapon. And then the main topic of our paper, the role of influencer and buzzer on social media. Yeah, there are three roles. Yeah, the propaganda opinion war game in digital world is currently being carried out more modern and structured. Apart from television media, which has played at the level of interest uh, referring to the ownership of the media. Currently on social media, certain people over services to launch an interest. The actor is often known as influencer and buzzer. Influencer can be defined as a celebrities who have a high popularity and relatively large followers on social media. Followers of this influencer on average have high loyalty, so they sometimes follow the message conveyed by them. In addition to influencer, there are also buzzer, where it is more directed at social media communication activities that aim to enliven to conversation and convey opinion or issues repeatedly, either paid or voluntary. And then media and vulnerability of national security in the realm of media propaganda in Indonesia. If we look at the digital television media that flies in Indonesia, we can do a mapping regarding their ownership. And we will show you about the table. List of leading television media in Indonesia and their owner. The first one, Chairul Tanjung, ya, City Corp, Trans TV, Trans 7, CNN TV as their digital media, and then we know Haritanu Sudibyo, and then Edi Saryatmaja, James Riyadi, Jakob Utama, Abu Rizal Bakri, Surya Paloh, and the last Agus Lasmono, Sutwikatmono. The direction of the political views of media owner, this can be seen from the owner's background in viewing and ownership of domestic political relation in Indonesia. As an example, Haritanu Sudibyo is General Chairman of Perindo Party and is the current government coalition party. Abu Rizal Bakri is the Golkar Party Advisor Chairman, which is currently the 2019 till 2024 government coalition party. And the next one is Surya Paloh is General Chairman of Nasdem Party, which is the government coalition party now. And then familiar relation between media owner, such as a marriage of children of television media owner. This happened between the daughter of owner Global Mediacom, Jessica Tanu Sudibyo, and the son of the owner, the MTech, Jonathan Natakusuma. This has united the two major media in Indonesia. In addition, there is also Agus Lasmono, who is the owner of Indika Group, and is the nephew of second president of Indonesia, Soeharto. The relation of political views to Chairul Tanjung Tengger or extended family, namely Putri Tanjung, whose daughter is currently appointed as a special staff member of the President of Joko Widodo, and we know Hari Tanusudibio's daughter, ya, Angela Tanusudibio, served as Deputy Minister of Tourism and Creative Economy. This analysis is needed to see how dynamic of television media in Indonesia, especially about seeing the cause and effect of the impact that will occur if an issue occur that can be divide the nation. Example of a case that is still remembered today is partially of television media to the presidential and vice presidential pairs in 2014 and 2019. This one, the table television media allegiance to the Indonesian President General Election 2014 and 2019. And then the case had created division among the lower classes and criticize each other, giving narratives and opinion that lead to this can lead division of nation. Even the reduction and negative narrative can carry over for a long time. This can be seen from the narrative of mocking each other, which is still happening today. Twitter tweets such as kadrun, cebong, kampret can still be found till now. The focus of news of television itself will directly have a relationship with the news in other media. As our information, digital media platforms are growing and not only focusing on television alone. Currently, various platforms have emerged and they have function resembling television. The internet has become a tool to enter a world without boundaries. Internet media that continues to grow makes the dissemination of information can be done in it. For example, many Indonesian businessmen have developed digital news media. With no space and time limit, digital news media will be able to spread more quickly in the community, especially with the people habit of sharing information through the help of chat messaging applications such as Twitter and WhatsApp. And then we will show you about fourth table, Indonesian influencer with the most YouTube subscribers in Indonesia till May 2022. We know Ria Ricis, she has 30 million subscriber, and the last one in our table, there is Gen Halilintar family. They have 17.9 million subscriber. And then Indonesian influencer with the most followers on Instagram. The first one, we know Raffi Nagita 1717. They have incredible followers. About 62 million followers. And the last one, there is Luna Maya. She has 33.9 million followers. And we have Ayu Ting Ting, Prilly Latuconsina, and our President Joko Widodo, Princess Syahrini, Ruben Onsu, Natasha Wilona, Laudya Chintya and Gisela. Seeing from the strategic role of actor media, it's necessary to have the right legal regulation as a structuring step. Loyal followers who sometimes go out of their way to always follow the content creator invitation are advantage they need to be managed properly so as not to cause conflict. This also applies to influencers who have a strategy of making noise to increase engagement rates atau mencari AdSense. This strategy will only benefit certain group and create conflict dilemmas in society. And the last one, looking at the dynamic of national security, the role of the media is very strategic in maintaining national stability. The actor behind the digital world, including influencer and buzzer, is one the important actor in this era. There are positive and negative values on it. Yeah. This positive value are the use influencer and buzzer in business advertising marketing, and Indonesia itself, influencer have been tried by the government to promote its policy. Matur suksma, stay safe dan salam literasi. Thank you for helping us, and I will stop our content, and we want to say thanks to the committee. Thank you for helping us. Om Santi Santi Santi.